it's Michelle here, and we just concluded the Restful Teacher Workshop for ASCD and ISD. It was entitled The Fight Against Teacher Burnout and Stress, 7 Empowering Strategies to Transform Teacher and Student Success. So I am excited to share the testimonials that we received from our session today with you. So take a look, and if you want to bring this workshop to your school, to your organization, or your institution, feel free to connect with me at booklcpe.com. Link will be in the chat. Thank you. Thanks for checking us out.